Hi crafting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder. Because we have so many new subscribers here on the channel, thank you! I thought I would drop in today with an introduction to diamond painting since I do so much of it here on the channel. So what is diamond painting? Diamond painting is an easy and relaxing craft that combines cross-stitch and mosaic building. Small round or square resin tiles called drills are placed over a pre-printed pattern on a self-adhesive canvas to create a sparkling, shimmering masterpiece. Many styles of art lend themselves beautifully to diamond painting, including family and landscape photography, art by the old masters, and licensed images from current artists. Some canvas kits are produced as full drill, with diamonds covering the whole surface of the canvas, and some are printed as partials, with diamonds added to highlight particular areas. Special drill canvases are partial canvases or products created with irregularly shaped diamonds to create special effects. Sizes range from small, which we'll call canvases in the range of 20 to 30 centimeters on one side, all the way to extra large, approximately 100 centimeters or more. Diamond painting canvases and drills correspond to roughly 10 count Aida cross-stitch fabric. So when you order, remember that diamond paintings often need to be much larger than embroidery to capture the same level of detail. Look for more information on how I choose sizes for my diamond paintings soon in another video. The colors of diamond painting drills also correspond to DMC floss colors used in cross-stitch, so creating diamond paintings on blank canvases using full coverage cross-stitch patterns is something I hope to explore in the future. All-inclusive diamond painting kits can be found from a variety of websites, but because unlicensed images are a huge issue in the diamond painting world, even on US sites like Amazon or Etsy, I advise caution when purchasing kits sourced overseas. You may wish to check out DIY Moon Shop, Diamond Dots, Treasure Studios Arts, and Diamond Art Club, all of which pay royalties to artists for producing kits legally. It's also a lot of fun to order custom diamond paintings using your own photographs, public domain works by the old masters, and royalty-free images from sites like Pixabay or Unsplash. You can find more information on where you can find royalty-free and public domain images for your customs, along with how to order them, in a video I'll link in the cards. If you're interested in learning more about diamond painting and a host of other craft projects, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I always have some project or other in progress, and I love sharing what I learn with you here. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time.